Warning. A zombie has go into your city. Find a shelter to protect yourselves. At 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, an unknown zombie has go into your city. Warning. Stay shelter. A millions of people has infected cause of zombies. People living in the different types of capitals of USA. Chicago, Seattle, New York, Los Angeles and Washington, D.C. and the zombie has named Omicron zombie. Warning. Do not turn off your TV. Stay shelter. A millions of people has died. Do not respond to any doors. I repeat. Do not respond to any doors. Turn off all lights.